What is a king or queen? What does a king or queen actually do? Let's find out. A king or queen is called a monarch. They are the head of the royal family, and we all know they wear crowns. But did you know, crowns are covered in real jewels like diamonds, sapphires, emeralds and rubies. There is a special crown in the UK that only comes out on certain occasions. It's called the Imperial State Crown. It's kept in the Tower of London and guarded by soldiers. The crown weighs over 1 kilogram. That's heavier than a bag of sugar, so it's heavy to wear. The monarch represents the country and its people. In the past they had a lot of power, but today they share duties with the government. In the past, kings and queens made all the rules, and some of the rules were unusual. Henry VIII banned eating meat on Fridays. He wanted people to eat fish instead. King Edward III said people weren't allowed to play football. He thought men should practice archery instead, as it was useful in war. Elizabeth I made a law saying only rich people could wear certain colours, like purple or gold. In the past, the eldest boy became king, but times have changed. Today, the government makes the big decisions, and the monarch has more of a symbolic role. Now the eldest child becomes the king or queen, and it doesn't matter if they are male or female. Our monarch today is King Charles III. He became king in 2022. His eldest son, Prince William, will be the next king. After him comes Prince George, then Princess Charlotte, and then Prince Louis. So what else do we know about kings and queens? Monarchs, kings and queens, usually live in extravagant homes like Buckingham Palace. Often they have more than one home so that they can carry out official duties, host guests and enjoy private time in different locations across the country. They also have special robes, the Great Seal, a decorated staff called a sceptre, and an orb. Kings and queens sit on elaborate chairs called thrones. The British throne, known as the coronation chair, is over 700 years old, and every monarch has been crowned on it since Edward II. It is made of oak and has lots of decorations. It now lives in Westminster Abbey, London. But a king or queen is also a person. King Charles has a teddy bear that he looks after carefully. Queen Elizabeth II had more than 30 corgis during her life, as she loved them so much. So now you know, a monarch is more than someone who wears a crown and sits on a throne. They represent the country, keep traditions alive and pass the crown down to the next monarch. Thanks for watching and listening. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more fun facts and learning with us.